Hello everybody. So I'm back with the module 2. Now in the module 2, the topic is elements of IMC. In this we are going to study about what is advertising, what is sales promotion, what are the advantages and disadvantages of advertising as well as of sales promotion. So I think this is one of the very important unit in the whole IMC, since it focuses on the advertising part, which is very important for a marketer to know and focus. Now, what is advertising all about? First of all, advertising helps in marketing the product. It provides information about the product. It is a form of communication intended to persuade an audience, that is the viewers, readers or the listeners, to purchase or take some action upon the product, ideas or the services. So in short, you can define advertising. It is the process of delivering a message about ideas, goods or services through the media paid by an identifiable sponsor. Now, what are the features of advertising? The first feature of advertising is it is a paid form of communication. Then it is done by an identified sponsor. It provides lot of information about the goods, services or a product. It tries to build the goodwill about the organization. It is a target oriented. It provides awareness about the product or the service that is available in the market and which we can use it for our own benefit. It is an important element in the marketing mix where the 4 P's are there. Marketing, it's an art, science and as well as a very good profession. Now, what is the role of advertising in IMC? Since we are studying IMC, advertising communicates the existence and availability of goods and services. Advertising informs the consumers about the qualities processed by the products and the services. It supplies us adequate information about the product that we want to use it for our own benefit. It communicates truth in advertising. Advertising provides knowledge to the consumers about the existence and the qualities of goods and services that the product has. Now, what are the advantages of advertising? The next topic, the next point that is there in our syllabus. The first advantage of advertising is it introduces a new product in the market. If the product is new, it requires lot of expenses on advertising. So the consumers become aware about the product and they start using the product. Advantage of advertising is expansion of the market. Advertising helps to expand the market by capturing lot of people. Advertising helps to increase the sales of the product or the service of what you are advertising. It helps to fight the competition. Obviously, there are a lot of products that are available in the market. Because of advertising, you can fight with your competitor. You can show what all things are there in your product which makes them unique and which consumer can use it for their own benefit. Advertising enhances the goodwill of the organization. If the company is doing advertising, obviously we find that company to be a good company, a good brand name. Advertising educates the consumer. Sometimes we consumers are not aware about the product. So with the help of advertising, we come to know about the product, that this product is there in the market which can fulfill our requirement. So we go and buy the product. Advertising helps to eliminate the middlemen like wholesalers and the retailers. Advertising somehow supports and eliminates also, because people, they don't need to ask the middlemen that what all things are there. When they see the advertising, they can immediately go and buy the product. Advertising gives us better quality products. Obviously, those products that are being advertised, they are of a very good quality. Advertising supports the salesmanship. The salesman, he has to continuously persuade the consumers to buy the product, but with the help of advertising, their role becomes little less. Advertising gives the employment opportunities also. It is one of the trending field where a lot of people can have a good career, they can have a good pay and they can earn lot of money also. But with every advantages, there are certain drawbacks also. There are certain disadvantages of advertising, like it adds to cost. Obviously, doing advertising is not an easy job. You require lot of cost, lot of extra cost is involved in doing an advertisement. Then first, second is it undermines social values. Sometimes you will see that some advertisings are hurting our social values, which is not under our control. Then the third disadvantage is it confuses the buyers. Obviously, if you see lot of products that are being advertised, when you go for buying, you get confused which product to prefer and which not. The fourth disadvantage is it encourages sale of inferior products. Sometimes some products are inferior in nature, that is of not good quality, but because of advertising, we buy the product and as a result, we find that we are not satisfied. And the another disadvantage is some advertisements are bad in taste. Sometimes you feel that this advertisement is not very good, it is not your taste, but still you have to view it because it is there in the television. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages of advertising. Now there are different types of advertising that are done by the marketer to capture large amount of audience. There are nearly 7 types of advertising, like print advertising, outdoor advertising, broadcast advertising, covert advertising, surrogate advertising, public service advertising, celebrity advertising. Now we will go one by one, like what is print advertising. The advertising which is printed on the paper, like newspaper, magazines, catalogs, as you all can see the examples. Outdoor advertising, like the hoardings and the pamphlets that you see on the bridges and the over roads, those are the outdoor advertising that the company do to target the customers when they are passing by through the street or the road or the bridge. They can have an overlook of that. Then there's a broadcasting advertising. There is also surrogate advertising, those products which are not usable, like which are banned by the government. They take the help of the celebrities and other to advertise their product, like Kingfisher and Royal Stag. Public service advertising that are used to give services to the public, like smoking advertising, that smoking is injurious to health, alcohol is not good for our health. So those are the public service, like Beti Padhao, Kanya Padhao, all these are public service advertising. Then you have celebrity advertising, wherein you take the help of the big celebrities, big faces that are very much useful to pursue a customer. You feel that person, that celebrity is your idol. If the celebrity is using that product, I should also go for that product.